I've been an Amazon seller for years, and I'm always trying to take my business one step further. But once I started using PPC Winner, it wasn't just a step forward, it was a leap. It's pretty simple when you think about it, but to be honest, I didn't believe it was possible. Although I'm good at selling, doing a PPC was a problem. I kept trying to track everything down, wasting hours searching for the right keywords, wondering if they are right for a good campaign. Instead of using my time to make profit, I was losing it on advertising with no results. Today, PPC Winner does all of that for me and gives a fantastic boost to my sales revenue. PPC Winner allows me to stay focused on growing my business without Amazon's inner traffic burden. It's a fantastic app that helps you become more profitable in a smarter and faster way.